Well, greetings from downtown Louisville. I'm heading down Main Street right now. I will be taking the tour of the Louisville Slugger Baseball Bat Museum. My hotel is exactly right behind the factory. The great Roger Maris, the great Mickey Mantle. All right, I am here at the museum and factory. I'm doing both tours. The factory tour starts here in just a few minutes, so I'm gonna wander through here for a little bit until they call my name. And then I'm gonna walk through the bat factory, and then I will walk through the museum. Legend. Big Bambino.
This is the first call for the 110 Bat Factory Tour. If that is time on your ticket, please follow the Slugger bats on the floor. All the way to the first room across from the jump to the match. You will do it.
You're right now. About 3,000 different views.
So you guys will be able to tell quickly what type of wood you're looking at, as well as see what type of wood your favorite players up here are swinging. Alright, so our next stop is going to be right down here, the Pro Bat production area. And we're going to see how all these billets turn into Major League bats.
Don't miss the image of Bud Pilgrim on the nearby wall. Bud made the company's first baseball bat in 1884 when he was just 17 years old. He's the great-grandfather of our past president, John Pilgrim. HEB has created about 3,000 different Louisville Slugger bats over the years. Players want different lengths, weights, knobs, barrels, and more, which makes up.
So I went and held a bat there. Here's a couple pictures of those. This is not a very big museum, but it is pretty amazing. Clemente. Some of the women of baseball. I hit that. I struck out. Here's the Louisville Slugger Museum Living Legend Award. Wow. Tommy was the last to get it. 2022. Oh, look at the names on that list. Mike Cobb bat, a Lou Gehrig bat, and a Hannes Wagner bat. Shoeless Joe. Yeah, well worth the $18 or $20 that it cost to come through. The bat factory was amazing, but we couldn't take video in there. The other museum's a little bit small, but had so much information. It's so many cool bats to hold and to read the history about. Definitely well worth it, and I would suggest any baseball fan to try it. Greatest Cubs of all time, Andre Dawson. Also a Expo at one time. Interesting art. Let's go do some exploring. Ooh, I just noticed that these planters, or whatever you call these, are shaped like baseball diamonds. Or baseball. They're shaped like home plates. The statue of David. I just noticed some interesting penguins on the roof. Right. Now, I'll take a quick stroll through. I think I've got enough of the statue of David. And we'll take a little stroll through this park, find out what it's all about. And all along Main Street they do have the Louisville Slugger Walk of Fame. Alright, let's take a look at this park. Very quiet along the river, as you can see straight ahead. Yeah, and that's the way you get to the Riverwalk. To commemorate the establishment of the town, Louisville, in 1780. Here's another one of those bats, Eddie Matthews. I didn't think I would stop at every one of the Walk of Fame markers, but I find myself stopping at a lot of them. I definitely want to stop and get a picture of this. Well, I still can't believe that I'm here in Louisville, Kentucky. It's kind of like a little dream come true to go through that museum and that factory. Alright guys, I have a lot in store for this trip. I am excited about tomorrow. Wait till you see what we're doing tomorrow. Remember, if you do enjoy these videos, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you tomorrow night.